Emna, have you ever felt like life is just like a video game, where you get thrown straight into the middle of a level with absolutely no instruction manual?
Totally. And I even suspect this is a glitch-filled beta version.
Exactly. Every time you think you've finally figured out the rules, life drops a whole new update.
And the update always comes with a few surprise bugs, too.
The biggest bug is Monday morning, always showing up right on time.
Don't even remind me. It's only Saturday and I can already see Monday waving at me from a distance.
Monday is like that overly enthusiastic friend you just want to avoid at all costs.
Did you notice when we were kids we couldn't wait to grow up and be free?
Yeah, because we thought adults could do whatever they wanted. No one's stopping them.
And now?
Now, if you want to do anything, you have to check your bank balance first.
I remember when I was little, I dreamed of becoming super rich when I grew up.
Me too.
Now I'm still rich. Rich in life experience and rich in monthly bills.
Adult life really is a series of fun surprises.
Like what?
Like how taking a nap used to be the worst punishment when we were kids.
Oh, exactly.
Now, a nap is the most precious reward ever.
If anyone gave me an extra 30 minutes of nap time every day, I'd work twice as hard.
You should just suggest it to your boss.
I already tried.
How did the boss react?
The boss said, "You can sleep. After work, that's fine."
That's the polite way of saying no with style.
I also realized one hilarious paradox about life.
Tell me.
When we were kids, we had tons of free time but no money.
True,
When we grow up, we have money.
but no free time left.
And when you finally have both,
Then your back starts calling and reminding you of your age.
you're such a pessimist in the funniest way.
It's not pessimism. I call it understanding life with a sense of humor.
Understanding life how?
Like setting your alarm for 6 a.m. to wake up early.
And what time do you actually wake up?
7:45. The alarm is just there to make me feel like I tried. 7.
I have the exact same habit.
What is it?
Opening my laptop to study.
And then?
10 minutes later, I switch to YouTube.
Next?
I watch a video called How to Focus and Study Effectively to comfort myself.
At least it's still study related.
After the video, I feel tired just from thinking too much.
You know what the funniest thing about life is?
What?
Nobody actually knows what they're doing.
What do you mean?
When I was little, I thought adults were super smart and knew everything.
Yeah.
Now I realize adults are just grown-up kids, with bills and responsibilities.
And coffee too.
Coffee is the silent hero. If coffee disappeared one day,
Then what?
human civilization would collapse right before Monday morning.
That actually makes total sense.
I think coffee is the only reason anyone still smiles in the early morning.
Not love?
Love also needs coffee to survive long term.
Honestly, though,
Yeah?
even if life is a little messy sometimes,
Yeah.
at least we still have chill mornings like this.
Coffee's good.
Good friend.
And it's not Monday yet. So I have a new life philosophy.
What philosophy?
If life gets you down, just sip some coffee, flash a big smile, and keep going.
Sounds simple, but it really works.
Exactly.
Sometimes the simplest things save your whole day.
Hey, Emna,
What?
do you think life is eavesdropping on us?
Why?
Because every time I complain, it immediately thinks of a new challenge to throw at me.
Then let's not complain today.
Why?
So, life can enjoy a nice relaxing weekend too.
I don't get how homework can make a normal person panic in just 3 seconds.
That's called pure school reflex.
I just finished reading the question.
Is it really hard?
No. The problem is I still have no idea what they're asking.
That's the classic philosophical question type.
First read.
Don't understand.
Second read.
Still confused?
No. But now I'm starting to doubt my own intelligence.
Don't worry. 80% of students go through that phase.
And the other 20%?
They're just really good at pretending they understand deeply.
Then, I'm joining that group right now. Very logical, very interesting.
Who are you talking to right now?
Myself. To create the feeling that I get it now.
I think studying is like climbing a mountain.
Why does everyone compare studying to climbing mountains?
Because it's actually exhausting.
Their point.
At the start, you're full of motivation.
Yep,
Halfway, you're gasping for air.
exactly.
Near the top, you ask yourself, why did I climb all the way up here?
Only for the teacher to suddenly announce, test again next week. Ultimate plot twist.
Yesterday, I really planned to study seriously.
Just planned?
Yeah. Desk tidy, lights on, laptop open.
Perfect.
Then, I opened YouTube.
And the plan vanished.
I only meant to watch one short video.
The classic line every student says.
The first video was, study with me, 4 hours.
Sounds super academic.
The person in the video actually studied for 4 hours.
And you?
I sat there watching them study for 4 hours.
Haha, your brain thinks you studied too.
Exactly. My brain is so easy to convince.
Mine is completely different.
As if
My brain is a professional procrastinator.
everyone has a bit of that.
No. I took it to the next level. I opened my book.
Do, add.
Read 2 lines.
Then,
Suddenly I remember I urgently need to clean my room.
rare symptom.
Normally I hate cleaning, but when I'm supposed to study, everything else suddenly becomes super interesting.
Haha. I once washed dishes at 1 a.m. to avoid studying.
Your family must have praised you for being so hardworking.
Mom even said, "You've really grown up."
If Mom knew the real reason.
She'd give me even more homework right away.
But the scariest thing isn't individual homework.
Then what is it?
Group projects.
The legendary horror of school.
Group projects always have 3 types of people.
I can guess.
The one who does everything.
Yep,
The one who completely disappears.
classic.
And the one who keeps asking, what should I do?
Which group are you in?
I'm the one who opens the file and immediately panics.
Haha, I once had a special group.
Special how?
3 people. 2 of them vanished.
And you?
I heroically evolved into the one who does everything.
That's a beautiful evolution. Hey Emna,
What?
do you think teachers know we're panicking?
Of course they do.
Then why do they still give us so much homework?
Maybe it's one big experiment.
What kind of experiment?
To see how many deadlines students can survive.
So we're like lab rats. Except the rats have coffee, Wi-Fi, and homework.
The rats are very tired.
But honestly though,
Yeah?
even though studying is really hard, when you finally understand something after days of struggling,
The feeling is so satisfying.
like finally finding the key after tearing the whole house apart,
Or finding the answer after 20 tries.
that moment makes everything worth it. Not studying anymore?
Nope.
Why?
Today is the weekend.
My brain needs a break.
Makes sense.
I'll study tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Then, Monday.
The day with the deadline.
Exactly.
You're a genius at optimizing pressure.
Not really. I'm just procrastinating intelligently.
Fine, I accept that.
Hey Emna,
Yeah?
have you ever thought your childhood memories are like a library full of I want to disappear into the ground moments?
Not a library anymore. It's a whole treasure trove.
Haha, right. Every time I remember, my brain automatically opens the most embarrassing book.
Especially right before sleep.
Exactly. The brain suddenly goes, hey, remember that time, and I'm wide awake. What's your most embarrassing story?
Oh, I have one.
Tell me.
Back in elementary school, I was walking down the street with my mom. I saw someone far away waving.
Someone you knew?
I thought so.
Don't tell me.
I waved back really enthusiastically.
And then?
That person was waving at someone behind me.
Haha. That moment felt like a 3-hour movie.
I pretended to stretch to save face.
Classic save yourself tactic. Super clever. What about you? I have a heartbreaking one.
This sounds dangerous already.
Great, Fem.
Go on.
The teacher asked a hard question.
Then?
I raised my hand super confidently.
No way.
Stood up, looked at the whole class,
Yeah.
and completely forgot the question.
Haha, impossible.
The whole class went dead silent.
The teacher looked at you?
Yep.
What did you say?
I think the same as my friend.
But no one had answered yet.
Exactly. That was the big problem.
You're actually really brave.
No, that was high-level panic.
I have another story.
Tell me.
In grade 3, I ran into my teacher at the supermarket.
Sounds normal.
I wanted to greet her politely,
Yeah.
but I was so nervous.
Then?
I blurted out, "Hi, Mom."
Hi, Mom?
I meant to say, "Hi, teacher."
Your brain chose the most creative word.
The teacher looked at me, completely confused.
I can totally picture that scene.
After that, I just ran away.
Master-level escape tactic. You got anything worse?
I'm ready to hear it.
In grade 4, I saw someone who looked exactly like my dad. I ran over and hugged him from behind.
Don't tell me.
It wasn't my dad.
Haha. How did the guy react?
He slowly turned around.
Yeah.
I looked at him.
Yeah.
He looked at me.
That deadly, silent moment.
I said, I mistook you for someone else.
At least you managed to say something.
Then I ran like an Olympic sprinter.
Being a kid really was full of silly, adorable moments.
But back then we thought they were as serious as the end of the world.
Exactly.
I used to think those moments would haunt me forever.
And now?
Now they've become funny stories we tell over coffee.
Actually, thinking back, they're kinda cute.
Yeah.
Kids always do things with pure heart, but a little silly too.
Like the beta version of ourselves.
Full of bugs, but extremely lovable.
But I think everyone needs those memories.
Why?
So later, when life gets tough.
We still have something to laugh out loud about.
Right. Hey, Emna.
What?
If you could go back to the past, would you change any of those embarrassing moments?
No way.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
because if we didn't have them,
Yeah?
we wouldn't have anything to laugh about at this coffee shop today.
That makes perfect sense.
Life is sometimes a little silly.
But super funny.
And full of memories.
Dedicated to those embarrassing childhood moments.
And to the fact that now we're old enough to laugh about them happily.